Hello, my name is Jordan.
And I'm Mikey. Welcome to the Curious Bison, our modern gift shop located right in the heart of Tulsa, Oklahoma.
We pride ourselves on creating unique and personalized gifts that capture the spirit of travel.
We started our journey back in 2021, initially operating online and through pop-up markets.
In our third year of business, we did a month on pop-up at Mother Road Market, a food hall located right on Route 66. The experience was a success, leading to an exciting opportunity to open a permanent location.
Honestly, it was a little scary to take the leap from an online store to a brick-and-mortar location, but after careful consideration and planning, we took the leap and officially opened our doors to the store beginning of 2024.
Our shop features a wide range of gifts and souvenirs, but what truly sets us apart is our ability to create personalized gifts right on the spot.
We're so excited to showcase our xTool F1. It's an incredible addition to our store that has really revolutionized the way we can personalize gifts.
It's right here at our checkout counter, ready to create customized products for our customers right on the spot.
With the xTool, we can add a personalized touch by engraving names to our keychains, travel maps, and coasters, all within a few minutes while the customer is able to watch the process.
We also offer a hat bar at our store where customers can choose their hat style, leather patch, and design. And with our xTool, we can engrave the patches right here on the spot, and then we use a heat press to press it for them.
Our customers love the interactive experience of customizing their gifts. They will often record the process and share it on their social media, helping spread the word about our shop.
We believe that the most meaningful gifts are the ones that capture the essence of who you are and what you love. And with our xTool, we're able to make those moments truly unique and special for each of our customers.